Do you ever feel like opening your trading account is harder than picking a phone plan? You got fees, apps, margins, options, tools. Ah! You just want to buy a stock, but suddenly it feels like you're signing up for NASA. Well, today we'll fix that. I'm gonna break down exactly how to pick the right broker, avoid hidden traps, and get your trading platform set up fast. The best investment that you can make is in yourself. Warren Buffett. Part 1. Why your broker matters. Even if you're a beginner. It's like picking your gym. You don't need the fanciest machines if you're just starting, but you also don't want one that breaks down or overcharges. Your broker determines your fees and commissions. Access to tools like charting, indicators, scanners, execution speed, support for different accounts like Roth IRA or margin versus cash accounts. Part 2, choosing the right broker for you. The 3 most important factors. Number 1, your style. Day trader, you need fast execution, level 2 data. Swing trader, focus on charts, tools, and low fees. Long-term investor, you want a reliable platform with low-cost reinvestments. Number 2, your budget. Some brokers have no minimums like Robinhood or Webull, but others offer better tools but require funding like Fidelity or Schwab. And number 3, what are your goals? You want options trading? Make sure the broker supports it. You want long-term tax advantage accounts? Choose one that offers an IRA. All right, let's go through the broker showdown so you can choose the right one for you. First up, Schwab. Great all-around platform, no commissions, strong charting tools, and now it includes Thinkorswim, one of the best trading platforms out there for sure. The downside, the interface might feel a little traditional, but solid for long-term and active traders. Next is Fidelity. Fantastic for long-term investors. Their research tools are top tier, but if you're an active trader, you might feel limited. And then you got Robinhood, the cleanest, easiest app, especially if you're new. Instant deposits are nice, but the tools, they're kind of basic. No deep charting, no scanners. And finally, Webull. It's like a middle ground. Better tools than Robinhood, including free level 2 data, but customer service, and not the best for educational support. Each broker has strength and weakness. Pick one that matches your trading style and goals. And remember, the tools don't make the trader, the discipline does. Part 4, how to set up your first trading account. Step by step, let's use Schwab as an example because it's what I use. Quick disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Schwab by any means, and also, this is not an investment advice. So, step 1, go to schwab.com and click open an account. And number 2, choose account type. Click brokerage for regular stock trading. And you can click Roth IRA for long-term retirement investing. And number 3, fill out personal information like your social security number, employment, income, etc. And number 4, fund the account. You can do bank transfer or debit or ACH. And number 5, download Schwab Mobile or StreetSmart Edge for desktop. Part 5, platforms versus brokers. What's the difference? For brokers, your gateway to the stock market. Think Schwab, Fidelity, Webull. And for platforms, the actual software you use to place trades. For Schwab, you got StreetSmart Edge. For TD, you got Thinkorswim. And for TradingView, this is connected to a broker. Your broker is the bank vault. Your platform is the control panel. Part 6, paper trading practice before you risk real money. Many platforms offer simulated trading accounts. Practice strategies, place fake orders, and learn the tools without risking dollars. Would you fly a plane without a simulator? Then why would you trade with real money without practicing first? The broker you choose can make you or break you. So don't just pick the prettiest app. Pick the one that aligns with your goals, your style, and your strategy. This is the secret sauce. So for more finance, investing, real estate, and macroeconomics, let's all learn wealthy together. I'll see you in the next video.